Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, back at you with another video. And guess what, guys? I couldn't help myself. I had to go back to Five and Below and see if I can pick something up so I can see if it works or not. Call this the Five and Below series. But what I got today was I got the selfie light, taking the perfect selfie, and I end up getting the remote controlled color light. It comes with the remote control and it comes with a light. Both of these are powered, if I'm not, they're powered by 3 AAA batteries. So what we're going to do, we're going to tear these open and see, does it really make the perfect selfie? I don't know. And see if this light is worth getting. I was going to get maybe 3 or 4 of them to put around in my office slash studio, but we'll see. All together, I think I paid like $10, $11 for both of these together, $11.59 for both of these together. So let's get into it. Today I brought my Punisher knife as the unboxing knife today to make it easier, because I don't feel like tussling with this, because these packages look like they've been invented by people that don't want people to break into stuff. So let's see what we can do. There we go. Oh, this is some tough stuff. So here we go. Very basic controller here. You have the plastic thing in the back. You take that out so you can use the on and off. There you go. Here you go. This is the light. Very small. So what I did was I bought myself some batteries so we can see if it works. So it says you turn it to open it, and there you go. It comes with a sticker on the inside so you can place it where you want it to go. So we're gonna put the batteries in. 3 AAA batteries. I'm using Duracell, and 1 non-brand. We're going to go ahead and put this back on. Let's see if I can get it. Where does this go? Okay. This thing is trolling me, I guess. Let's see if we can put it back on. Eyes on. So, that's not really bright. So let's see. Off. It does work. The remote control does work. On. We can change the colors. Hopefully you can see this. Yellow, blue, purple, magenta, purple, blue. You get green, blue. You can multicolor it. Not bad. Mode. Okay. It has 2 brightness, if you can see. One is low, one is high. So I think I'm gonna use it, see where I can place it at, see if it'll give my studio slash office some better looking lights to place. Again, I like it multicolor. You can have a color going through each color. Turn it off, turn it on. I like this. I like it. It does what it says it's gonna do. I wish it was a little bit brighter though. Wish it was a little bit brighter. All right, let's go to the Taranx selfie. Now, I'm not big on selfies a lot of times. I should stop cutting towards myself before I cut my own throat. Be dying. And y'all be like, oh no. Now that will go viral. But let's see if we can get in here. Okay. It says perfect selfies in daylight, nighttime. Give you that perfect selfie. Might get this to my daughter. She likes taking selfies, so let's see if this will be the perfect selfie for her. Okay, this is how it looks from the back. This is the front. Clips on your phone. You open it. Oh, it takes 2 AA. Let's see. Maybe I'll get my daughter to review this and see if she likes it, so she could tell me whether or not it's any good. because that is just too square. Here we go. There we go. There we go. See? Well, hold on. I gotta get it back in here now. Okay. Okay. Now, the bad thing is when you buy something for cheap, you gotta be willing to fix it, and I have to fix it because the spring thing, the thing that holds the spring together, came off now. Might have to take it back. Don't know. Let's see if we can turn it on. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 levels of brightness. If you can see, 1, 2, 3. So I evidently have my Note 10 Plus. Let's see how it works and give me that perfect selfie. Let's see. Oh, touched the wrong thing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's see if it works. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Hey. Well, okay. After the selfies, here go the selfie pics. You can judge for yourself whether or not the pics were good. That's 1 pic. That's 2. And that's 3. I know I look good, don't I? Well, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it to my daughter and see if she likes it. But I think what I want to do is say that you can do things on the cheap. You don't have to go out and spend $500, $600 to be able to do something. If it was this can be used as a ring light to do video with. It's not the brightest, but if you're in a dark area, I think you can get a good selfie pic. Plus, you can use this as a ring light, a miniature ring light for your phone. And as far as this, get 3 or 4 of these, be able to stick them up somewhere, and be able to, by remote control, change the color. So depending on your studio or the way you like your lighting, you can complement the lighting you have. So this is your boy, the Ghettoographer, out. Just want to do a quick unboxing and a little, I guess, you know, first impressions of what I bought at 5&below. Hope I'll see y'all soon. This is your boy, the Ghettoographer. Please, if you like my page, please give a sub up and thumbs up, please. I really much appreciate it. It'll help a brother out. Well, you have a good day. This is your boy, the Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, signing off. You have a good day.